Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to start with the second chapter of the class 10 control and coordination. Clear? Let me clear you the first meaning of the control and coordination. Control and coordination means that our body or the plant or the animal body is responding to the environment. Clear? And after responding to the environment, our body react to it. Clear? This is called control and coordination, means working of the various organs of the particular organism in the systematic manner. Clear? So that it can produce a particular response to the stimulus is called coordination. Here I use the word stimulus means that the response that the organism made with the changes in the environment is called the stimulus. Now we will start with the control and coordination in plants. Clear? Now the one most important thing, plants are not having the very complex body like the human beings. So in the plant and in the plants, the control and coordination is a very simple, maintained by the using hormones only. Clear? Now plants responds to the various stimuli, and with the help of the hormones it produces the movements, and this is called the plant movements, and it is being stimulated by the plant hormones. We also can say it the phytohormones. Now let me discuss about the first plant hormones. We have the four major types of the plant hormones, that is the first auxin, gibberellin, then cytokinin, and the last one is the abscisic acid. From these four types of the plant hormones, the first three plant hormones, that is auxin, gibberellin, and the cytokinin, these are the hormones that promotes the growth, means they will increase the growth of the plant. That's why they are called the growth promoter hormones. Got it? And the last one, this abscisic acid, is the hormone that inhibits the growth. Clear? Means it stops the growth of the particular plant part, and that's why we call it the growth inhibitor hormone. Now let me discuss one by one. The first one is the auxin. I told you that auxin is the growth promoter hormone. It promotes the cell enlargement and cell differentiation in the cell plants. Cell enlargement means कि cell के size को increase होगा, and cell differentiation means it is providing the different functions to the different cells. Is it clear? So it helpful for the cell enlargement and the cell differentiation. Second one, it also promotes the fruits growth. Clear? Means the fruits growth is being promoted by the auxin hormone. Got it? Now this plant hormone is being auxin is being stimulated by the light, means it is being functioning when it is getting the light or the gravity, means it is getting the stimulus by the light and the gravity. It normally found at the tip of the plants, means tip of the stem and the roots. Understood? Now tip of the stems and the roots, it is being found in the stems. It shows the positive effect, and in the roots it shows the negative effect. Means the speed of the growth in the stems means it speeds up the growth in the stems, and in roots it slow down the speed. Okay? Means it is showing the comparatively different response in the stem and the roots. Got it? And we are also using the auxin in the synthetic form in the agriculture and the horticulture. Understood? This is all about auxin. Then the gibberellin. Gibberellin is the hormone that functions also is the same as the auxin, but it is being as the auxin is being stimulated by the light, the gibberellin is being stimulated by the auxin. Understood? Means auxin promote the cell enlargement and cell differentiation, but only and only in the presence of auxin. Got it? It helps in breaking the dormancy of the seed. Dormancy means the resting formation of the seed. Resting form means that seeds are not growing any showing any growth, means no plant is being developing from the seed. That is called the dormancy stage. Understood? It also promotes, like the auxin, fruit growth. It is main function of the gibberellin is the shoot extension, means it is used to increase the length of the plant. Got it? This is all about gibberellin. Now the next one, we have the cytokinin. It is also the promoter hormone. The main function of the cytokinin is the cell division, means it's used to divide the cell, 1 into 2, 2 into 4, 4 into 8, like this it will divide the number of the cells. And it also, like the gibberellin, helps to break the dormancy of the seeds. I think the dormancy word is clear now. Now it delays the aging of the leaves. Aging means it will delay the period of the damaging of the leaves. Got it? It also help in opening of the stomata at the time of the various processes the stomata has been used, and like other hormones it also promotes the fruit growth. Now the last one is the abscisic acid, and I told you it is the inhibitor hormone. Means whatever the functions they are performing, it will do opposite to it. Means it will inhibit the growth of the various parts of the plant. Now it is it mainly other hormones is breaking the dormancy of the seeds. It will promote the dormancy of the seeds, means it will make the seeds in the resting form. Got it? Here the other hormones are used for opening the stomata. It is used to close the stomata, means it is performing the completely opposite function to the other hormones. The next one, it promotes the wilting and falling of the leaves. Wilting means it was delaying the aging of the leaves. It is following that the leaves should not fall, but here it is promoting that leaves should be fall. Wilting means separating of the leaves from the flower. We also say it abscission, means the completely loss of the leaves from the plant at the time of the season when the plants lost the leaves. Understood? Now it also helps in the detachment of the fruits, flowers. Detachment means fruits and flowers when are completely ready, they separate out from the plant, and this is being promoted by the abscisic hormone. This is all about this class. Next we'll discuss in another class.